Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today in this video we will tell you about the second largest search engine of the internet. It's a platform where people can easily share their talent with others. So viewers, we tell you how YouTube got started. There were actually three friends who started YouTube. All three lost their jobs when eBay bought PayPal. It was the company that the three friends worked for: Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Javed Karim, all the creators of YouTube. YouTube started as a dating website. The purpose of all three friends was to get people from all over the world to upload videos and show their talent. On the other hand, all three of them created YouTube while solving a problem. The problem was that he had to share a big video of birthday party with his friends. The video was not emailed, and Javed Karim wanted to watch Janet Jackson concert video. Stop watching videos on TV at this time. There were many cameras in the world at that time, but videos could not be shared. Products in the world are not made for profit but to solve problems. The three friends proceeded to solve the problems. Inspired by the hot or not websites, they started creating an online dating website. The three friends came up with the idea of this dating website. YouTube was registered on February 14, 2005. The first YouTube video was uploaded by Javed Karim on April 23, 2005. This video was 18 seconds long, in which Javed Karim was standing in a zoo and elephants were standing behind him. YouTube's first viral video to get 1 million views. It was a Nike ad featuring the famous footballer Ronaldinho. Thus, YouTube became famous all over the world. In July 2006, hundreds of millions of views began to appear on YouTube. On October 9, 2006, Google bought YouTube $1.6 billion. YouTube gained 1 billion views in December 2012, after which YouTube became the world's largest sharing website. YouTube is headquartered in California, USA. According to a survey, 77% of viewers watch 20 or 22 videos when they go to watch one. YouTube is a platform that is both content creator, content consumer, and advertiser. When the content is good, the consumer will come. When the consumer comes, the ad will come, which will target the consumer. The YouTube Partner Program was launched in 2010. Google AdSense gives 50% to video creators and 45% to YouTube. In 2010, YouTube started live streaming online, where they played a total of 60 IPL matches. For the first time, YouTube's largest channel is PewDiePie, owned by Felix Arvid, a Swedish resident which has 60 million subscribers. Now the whole market has shifted from TV to YouTube. YouTube subscribes stay in touch with creator. YouTube gives everyone a chance.